Explaining the Big Bang theory of how the universe began. The Big Bang theory is a theory of the universe that proposes that the universe began with a huge explosion. There are a number of different versions of this theory, but they all agree on one thing: that the universe came into existence as a result of an enormous release of energy. The Big Bang theory is an interesting and complex topic. In the beginning, nothing existed. The ancient Greek philosophers called this the void. They said that everything was born out of this void with a tremendous crash. The universe began with an enormous release of energy, an event referred to as the Big Bang. How this happened is still not clearly understood, but evidence suggests that the universe was in perfect order before this point. Cosmology is the study of the observations and implications of an evolving universe for humanity. The universe consists of galaxies, stars, planets, and matter which can take several forms. Some specific attributes of this theory are that the universe is expanding in all directions at an accelerated rate. The study of the Big Bang theory is ambiguous. Even in the scientists' world, a lot of questions remain unanswered. How does the Big Bang theory in physics apply to everyday life? In the beginning, there was nothing. The universe was a giant void of nothingness with no stars, planets, or galaxies. Then, after a few billion years, the universe suddenly exploded into existence in an instant. This is how most people think of the Big Bang theory in physics. The most recent example of this is in a story that I saw on the CNN website called The Big Bang Theory and the Search for Meaning. This article was an interview with Neil deGrasse Tyson, a well-known American astrophysicist, who was asked by CNN how can science explain religious beliefs when they are so different. Neil deGrasse Tyson, in his answer to this question, said that scientists and religious believers believe in the same thing: the Big Bang. The Big Bang is a theory of how our universe began. Tyson explains, the point of the story when we started was that there was nothing and then suddenly there was everything. What is out there beyond what we see? Well, if you believe the Big Bang, there is a creator. If you believe in the Christian story, it's God. This philosophy is that everything we see was created by something that preceded it. The scientist and religious believer believe in the same thing: the Big Bang. Citation: Tyson, Neil deGrasse. What do scientists and religious believers believe? The Daily Show with Jon Stewart on Comedy Central, June 13, 2006. The Bible is a collection of sacred texts of the Abrahamic religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. The story tells about God creating humans in His own image and placing them under His supervision. God gave man dominion over all of the earth, but He also warns that there will be consequences for doing wrong. The story of Adam and Eve is one such warning. Adam and Eve were two humans who were put together as a punishment for eating from the tree of knowledge that God had forbidden them to eat from. They are forced to leave paradise, according to Bible writers, and begin to live in a world of sin, suffering, and death. Adam and Eve are the ancestors of all humans. Can the scientific theory of the Big Bang theory help us explore our world and our universe with more clarity? The term Big Bang refers to the astronomical event which scientists believe it expanded from a state of intense gravitational contraction that happened 13.8 billion years ago. When the universe went from being a condensed mass of energy and matter to expanding space. The Big Bang theory is a scientific theory that suggests that the universe began with a huge explosion called the Big Bang. The Big Bang theory is not just a theory, it is also an explanation for how our world came into existence. It helps us to understand how we are able to exist in this world, and why we have a physical body instead of just floating into space. We know that this explosion caused the formation of our solar system, including Earth, Earth's moon, and other celestial objects. So many questions have been asked that it would take a lifetime to answer them all. Today, scientists are looking beyond this universe to study other universes. What they're finding is that our universe is really just one of many and that there could be an infinite number of them out there. There are even theories that suggest the Big Bang was not only a singularity but also created new universes very similar to ours. 1. Where does the energy come from to keep the universe expanding? Some theorists say the universe has a finite amount of energy, and that this energy is used up in the process of expanding. This theory would mean that one day all of this energy will be depleted and the universe will collapse back upon itself. 2. Have the laws of physics changed over time? It's believed that these laws have stayed relatively the same over the course of time. This means that scientists don't know if any of these laws will change in the future. The Earth is a geocentric model, meaning it orbits around the Sun. The three major theories on how the universe began are: 1. The Big Bang Theory. 2. The Expanding Earth Theory. 3. The Steady State Theory. What are some key things to know about dark matter and dark energy? Dark matter and dark energy are two of the most mysterious aspects in cosmology. But what is their significance? Dark matter is a form of matter that cannot be seen by telescopes. It is made up of particles called WIMPs, or weakly interacting massive particles. Dark energy is believed to be the force that drives the expansion of the universe, which could be made up of a fifth force that scientists have yet to discover. What happened in the first moments after the Big Bang? In the first moments after the Big Bang, the universe was in a very hot state. The temperature of the universe was so high that photons could not escape from matter and space had no curvature. What are some theories on how dark matter works? It's thought to be composed of subatomic particles, which have not yet been observed or measured. Some theorists have proposed that dark matter may be ancient portals to other universes and dimensions. What is the significance of dark matter and dark energy? Dark matter, which makes up around 27% of the universe, is defined as anything which cannot be seen in visible light. Dark energy, which makes up around 68% of the universe, is defined as everything that is not matter and energy that pushes outward on space. They are currently the most significant unknowns in modern physics. Some theories suggest that this vacuum of space has been moving and expanding, which may be what caused galaxies to form. Thank you for watching How to Understand the Big Bang Theory in Physics, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please.